met in Chiang Mai several months ago when your faculties come visit us at Chiang Mai University. So for this is very honor for me to come and have the collaboration with Sriwijaya University, the Faculty of Law. So I would like to express my idea about how the law and legal education can reach the expectation for the society. Chiang Mai University located in the northern part of Thailand, and when we founded the university from the demand of the local people that want to have the higher education in the region of the northern Thailand. So from the law school, mostly the students want to go to the legal professional. They have to reach the demand on the legal professional like the barrister, and also study very hard to get into the judiciary branch. And also in the rapid growth society, we have the entrepreneur and the industrial that also want to have legal advisor. However, for the local people and community, we have also the demand as well. The Chiang Mai University Law School has arranged the meeting to have the public hearing. This is I got it from that public hearing at that time, that we have the nationwide for the Legal Education Council that want to have the reform for the law education for Thailand. We have also Thammasat University, Chulalongkorn University, Prince Songkhla University, and all of the law school in every region in Thailand. So Chiang Mai University Law School at that time hosts the topic of the civil society expectation for the law school. So it has come to today that I would like to share with you. So from the expectation from the society, I think now we have demand for the legal service than our past, because we face many challenging problems like the environmental crisis and also people participation in democratic society. So for the law school, I think we has the mandate as the fountain of knowledge, that we would like to nurture the law student to understand how the law affect in the society. Because for the legal professional, we can choose how we can do the justice for the community. Because sometimes when the influential in the society they have the power, especially the financial support, but the community has quite lack of the legal advice. So for this Chiang Mai University, after we have this kind of public hearing, I found it that for the law school in Chiang Mai, then we have three at least the mandate. Okay, so I think because of the time limit, I again thank you so much for your hospitality, and also hope that we have collaboration in the future. Thank you.
Thank you to Mrs. Kang Charan for the wonderful welcoming speech.
Next is the welcoming speech that will be given by the Dean of Faculty of Law, Universitas Sriwijaya, Professor Dr. Febrian SHMS. To Professor Dr. Febrian SHMS, the time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Kop kum kap. I forgot kop kum kap. Terima kasih pada dosen dan mahasiswa yang sudah menyempatkan hadir dalam suatu program yang luar biasa hari ini. Izinkan saya berbahasa bukan bahasa Indonesia, tetapi berbahasa yang kita juga memahaminya. The Honorable Assistant Professor Dr. Nathamon Kongcharu, Dean Faculty of Law, Chiang Mai University, Associate Professor Dr. Tosafon Tasana Kunlapan, Head of the School of Law. So sorry if my pronunciation is not good. Something wrong with my tongue. And then Dr. Nawapon Saini Wong Na Ayudhya, Assistant Dean in Academic and International Affairs. Miss Sriyapon Wongja, thank you for coming here. Faculty and staff member, law student, bachelor and postgraduate, all participants of this meeting. It is my very great honor to welcome faculty member of Faculty Law of Chiang Mai University. Welcome to Palembang, the capital city of Sumatra province. Maybe the population around 2 million, for, especially for the city. We are honored and delighted to welcome all of you in this occasion, the signing of powerful and unique collaborative agreement between Faculty of Law Sriwijaya University and Faculty of Law Chiang Mai University, two outstanding educational institutions that embody the attainment of social justice through educational opportunities. Let me first introduce myself. I am Professor Dr. Febrian, Sarjana Hukum Magister Sains, Dean Faculty of Law Sriwijaya University, and the Vice Dean, Study Program Coordinator and Head of Division within the Faculty of Law Sriwijaya University. First, I would like to introduce Associate Professor Dr. Mada Apriandi Juhir, Vice Dean for Academic Affairs. Yeah. And second, Assistant Professor Vegitia Ramadhani Putri, SH, SN, MA, LLM, Vice Dean for General Affairs and Finance. Third, Assistant Professor Dr. Zul Hidayat, Vice Dean for Student and Alumni Affairs. And then Professor Dr. Johnny Emezon, Head of Notary Program. Where is Mr. Oh, yeah. Associate Professor Dr. Nasriana is here? Oh yeah. Associate Professor Dr. Nasriana, Head of Law Master Program. Yeah. And then Associate Professor Dr. Analisa Yahanan, Head of Doctoral Program. over there. Thank you. We have Assistant Professor Dr. Muhammad Saifuddin, Head of Private Law Division. Iya. Iza ada Iza? Iza ada. Ibu Meria? Ada juga. Oke. Plambonita ada. Oke. Assistant Professor Dr. Suci Plambonita, Head of Constitutional Law Division. Ya. Universitas Sriwijaya, or we call Unsri, was established in 1960, originally named Sakya Kirti College, then inaugurated by first President of Indonesia, Insinyur Soekarno, and changed its name to Sriwijaya University in 1960, which currently has two main campuses, namely in Bukit Besar here, Palembang, and second in Indralaya, about 32 kilometers from Palembang to Indralaya, Ogan Ilir Regency, South Sumatra Province, Indonesia. In addition to educational facilities and academic achievement, Faculty of Law Unsri has several reputable and accredited for journals including SLREP, Sriwijaya Law Review, Simbur Cahaya Reportorium, Lex Lata, Sriwijaya Criminal and Legal Studies, Sriwijaya Private Law Journal, and Juris Concordia Journal. FH Unsri flagship journal is the Sriwijaya Law Review, one of the most highly cited legal publications in Indonesia. According to Simago, ranked 2023, SLF is included in the World Journal Ranking with the quartile 3 predicate and is the best legal scientific journal in Indonesia in the field of law, and is ranked the 6th best in Asia. We can, ladies and gentlemen, today is especially meaningful as we gather here to witness the first corporate partnership between Faculty of Law Sriwijaya University and Faculty of Law Chiang Mai University. I know that we are all here share the same feeling of excitement and optimism when we think of the wonderful possibilities that can come about as our two universities enter the historic partnership. The signing of this memorandum of understanding confirms the serious commitment of two very different but also very alike institutions, both committed to creating professional justice reformers. It becomes apparent that we share one common value, welcoming students and faculty from all backgrounds and place to properly reflect the world we live in, working to create a community of inclusivity and interconnectedness. This memorandum of understanding between Faculty of Law Sriwijaya and Chiang Mai University encourage the exchange of academics, staff for teaching and research, student exchange, joint seminar, lecturers, training, exchange of research material, collaboration of journal management, and other potential program collaboration. To conclude, we really want to look forward to a strong relationship between our two institutions in subsequent meeting where people's different are celebrated rather than criticized, often led to academic excellence and the overall bettering of our society. Last but not least, I would like to express my gratitude to everyone for being so accommodating regard to holding this ceremony. With this in mind, I declare open for the Memorandum of Understanding signing ceremony between Faculty of Law Sriwijaya University and Faculty of Law, Chiang Mai University started. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much for the welcoming speech from our Dean Faculty of Law Universitas Sriwijaya.
Our next agenda is the playing video profile by Faculty of Law Universitas Sriwijaya and the video profile of Chiang Mai University.
Next is the most awaited agenda of today's event, which is the signing the Memorandum of Understanding between Faculty of Law Universitas Sriwijaya and Faculty of Law Chiang Mai University that will be signed by both dean of each university.
To the all audience, please stand up for the photo session with our guests.
Unprepared, extremely unprepared. Our next agenda is playing the video profile from Faculty of Law of Chiang Mai University.
The Faculty of Law of Chiang Mai University was established by the University Council's resolution on the 25th March 2007. The history of the Faculty of Law dated back to 1965, when the law subjects were taught for the first time at Chiang Mai University. At that time, the Faculty of Law was a mere division in the Political Science Department of the Faculty of Social Sciences. In 1992, while the Law Division was a part of the Faculty of Social Sciences, a Bachelor degree in Law, or LLB, was established. This made Chiang Mai University the first government university in the northern region that provided an LLB program. Also, in 1999, the curriculum of the Bachelor degree in Law was approved by the Thai Bar Association, or TBA, and therefore, law graduates are qualified to register as members of the TBA and consequently are able to sit for the bar examination. The law curriculum of the LLB was subject to vigorous revision in 2003 in response to the changing world, the need for additional legal personnel in general, and open to those who wish to study law as a second degree. Furthermore, the Master degree in Law, or LLM, was established in 2004 to provide a specific additional education in response to the political, economic, and social dynamic of Thailand. The Faculty of Law has an intrinsic value as a legal institution that provides graduates with a sound education that benefits society. The vision of the Faculty of Law is stated as follows: being an educational institution in legal studies where its strength lies onto the quality of academic, research, and academic services involving the needs of local society, a source of legal knowledge governed by effective administration and management that is self-reliant and competitive. The law
มันขึ้นอยู่กับพวกเราว่าอยากให้บ้านเมืองเป็นแบบไหนสังคมที่ดีสิ่งแวดล้อมที่ดีการเมืองที่ดีต้องเกิดจากกฎหมายที่ดี
มันขึ้นอยู่กับพวกเราว่ากฎหมายที่มีอยู่มีไปเพื่ออะไรเพื่อระงับความขัดแย้งเพื่อวิพากษ์วิจารณ์ความไม่ถูกต้องเพื่อคุ้มครองเสรีภาพประชาชนหรือเพื่อใครสักคนที่ไม่ได้รับความเป็นธรรม
มันขึ้นอยู่กับพวกเราว่าจะทำอย่างไร ให้กฎหมายเป็นได้มากกว่าตัวหนังสือเป็นความรู้ที่ทุกคนเข้าถึงได้เป็นการแสวงหาความจริงเพื่อเพื่อนมนุษย์เป็นเครื่องมือพัฒนาคนให้เคารพศักดิ์ศรีความเป็นมนุษย์เป็นที่พึ่งของประชาชน
มันขึ้นอยู่กับคุณและที่นี่
คณะนิติศาสตร์มหาวิทยาลัยเชียงใหม่สถาบันการศึกษากฎหมายที่เท่าทันความเปลี่ยนแปลงของสังคมและโลกสร้างระบบการศึกษาที่มุ่งเน้นการศึกษากฎหมายกับสังคมโดยตั้งเป้าหมายนิติศาสตร์อันดับหนึ่งของประเทศด้านมาตรฐานการอุดมศึกษาโดย3หลักสูตรที่มุ่งมั่นผลิตนักกฎหมายคุณภาพปริญญาตรีนิติศาสตร์บัณฑิตศึกษานิติศาสตร์ทั้งเชิงวิชาชีพและวิชาการให้ผู้เรียนเข้าใจกฎหมายและความเป็นจริงของสังคมทำความเข้าใจกฎหมายผ่านบทบัญญัติผสมผสานการเรียนรู้ควบคู่กับการปฏิบัติจริง Law in Action ปริญญาโทนิติศาสตร์มหาบัณฑิตมุ่งศึกษาถึงบทบัญญัติทางกฎหมายและผลที่เกิดขึ้นต่อสังคมทำให้นิติศาสตร์มีความเชื่อมโยงกับสังคมมากกว่าที่เคยเป็นนำเอาระเบียบวิธีวิจัยทางสังคมศาสตร์มาใช้ในการวิจัยด้านกฎหมายมากขึ้นหรือที่เรียกว่าการศึกษากฎหมายกับสังคม Law and Society ปริญญาเอกนิติศาสตร์ดุษฎีบัณฑิตให้ความสำคัญกับปรากฏการณ์ในระบบกฎหมายที่ไม่ได้จำกัดไว้เพียงกับกฎหมายของรัฐเท่านั้นยังรวมไปถึงการทำความเข้าใจกับโครงสร้างอุดมการณ์มุมมองพัฒนาการและความเปลี่ยนแปลงรวมทั้งระบบกฎหมายโดยใช้แนวคิดทฤษฎีมุมมองจากสาขาวิชาความรู้ด้านต่างๆเข้ามาเป็นส่วนหนึ่งในการวิเคราะห์เพื่อผลิตดุษฎีบัณฑิตทางด้านนิติศาสตร์ที่มีองค์ความรู้ในการวิเคราะห์วิจัยทางกฎหมายอย่างรอบด้านเรายังขับเคลื่อนองค์กรด้วยหลากหลายภารกิจทั้งด้านงานวิจัยและเผยแพร่ผลงานวิชาการการบริการรับใช้สังคมการพัฒนานักศึกษาให้เคารพศักดิ์ศรีความเป็นมนุษย์ทั้งหมดนี้ก็เพื่อสร้างสังคมที่ดีขึ้นกฎหมายจะต้องเป็นโครงสร้างพื้นฐานสำคัญให้แก่สังคมมันขึ้นอยู่กับผม
มันขึ้นอยู่กับฉัน
มันขึ้นอยู่กับคุณ
มันขึ้นอยู่กับเรา
คณะนิติศาสตร์มหาวิทยาลัยเชียงใหม่
Next, the most awaited agenda of today's events. Is the keynote speech by Dean Faculty of Law, Chiang Mai University, Assistant Professor Dr. Netamon Kongcharon, that will be led by our moderator, Felicia Lydia. To Felicia Lydia, the time is yours.
I am so sorry. So I have to set up my clock that don't talk too long. Sorry about that. Okay, sorry that previously I was confused. Actually, I already talked on what I want to say to you already, but however, I can repeat it again. Okay, so the topics that I want to share with you today is about how the law education can provide for the civil society. I think our video that you just seen it say it all, as our law school in Chiang Mai would like to provide as the higher legal education for our society. We have 3 mandates. The first one is about democratic society, which I think the law as a foundation to the judge society is very important. And the approach that we have is law and society, or we call socio-legal studies. So it's not just the legal text, but it beyond the law that written is the philosophy as the rule of law behind as the principle that we cannot violate. And then also come along with the legal principle or rule of law is the law application or the implementation of law, that legal education must understand how the law actioned in the real world, because sometimes even we have the beautifully written law, but it's not real in our society. So in the democratic society, we need the people participation. Secondly, as we have human rights protection as the law is the major principle, however, to apply this law must come from below as well. So how we can reflect human rights protection from many of the people in our society. And then the last one is natural resource and environment, that now it can complain to us as we have more of the exploitation for the natural resource. I believe that in Palembang, as in Sumatra, has a very rich natural resource and also culture heritage. I think this one is also one of the mandate for the university to follow up the rule of nature. So this is 3 mandate that I think the law school have to follow. So from Chiang Mai University in the northern Thailand come to Sumatra in Palembang, that we believe that we can have the future collaboration. I'm waiting for you to come and visit us as the exchange program or maybe field research. So welcome to Chiang Mai, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Concharan, for that great speech. Because we're all excited, we have many questions for you. So good morning, everyone. It is an honor for me as a law student in Universitas Sriwijaya to be given this opportunity to stand here. And also before that, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Felicia Lydia, as moderator of today's Keynote speech. And before that, I would like to thank Ms. Concharan for her wonderful speech before. And perhaps of the audiences here want to ask questions regarding the relations of the collaborations between Faculty of Law, Universitas Sriwijaya and Chiang Mai University. I want to ask questions related to the topic for your speech before. Also, we know that we have signed the MOU. And before the sign, were there any initial steps in realizing collaboration between Faculty of Law, Universitas Sriwijaya and Chiang Mai University?
First of all, I would like to invite you to visit us, as in August, the 16th of August, we host international conference. So you all welcome to Chiang Mai to present the paper and your idea. The theme of our international conference is the climate justice. But we opened up for many of the sub-theme, right? The environmental crime, business and human rights that maybe affect the society, and also environmental constitutionalism. So this is just an example for the sub-theme. Actually, you can come and present your idea for our international conference. So I invite the law school and the dean to be our co-host as well. If you can come and join us in August. 16 is the Fridays. So this is the very first initial.
I think that was a great big opportunity for me also as a law students, and maybe I will ask all the audience, maybe there are also many questions to know more about Chiang Mai University. Is there any? Okay, over there, yeah. Please stand up and you may tell us your name.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the opportunity and the moderator. So I would like to ask about the conditions nowadays that the technology has grown as well. And also, unfortunately, these things would also increase the potentials of cheating throughout the technology. So my question is, what is the legal framework that exists that would decrease the potential so we are able to use the academic as well? Thank you.
So, you said about the technology and the legal education nowadays. Chiang Mai University has quite experience from. I believe that in Sriwijaya has also faced the crisis 2 years ago with the COVID-19, that we have to adapt ourselves to the digital exam. So we have the online exam and then the online courses. So I think this is also a very good challenge that we pass at that crisis. So now we use the technology like the online course, and also at that time when we used the online exam, it's very challenging for us. We found many of the misconduct with the digital technology, and also now we have to look for more of the AI assistant for the law teaching. But so far it's still on the process of the learning. Actually, that I point out to Tosapon, that Tosapon is the expert for the cyber law. So if you have further interest, that you can exchange with us.
Is there any follow-up question from Joshua? Thank you. So maybe we have another last questions from all the audience. Okay, if not, I would like to give another questions. First, so there are many who wants to know more about Chiang Mai University. Maybe we can discuss about how to encourage and influence law students in Chiang Mai University to be active as students. So is there any way, or maybe do you have any kind of publications in Chiang Mai University, like the one in University Sriwijaya? We also have like podcasts with lecturers and students. So what about Chiang Mai University?
I think as I heard Dean Sapien mentioned about ALSA, I think in every university have this kind of ALSA as the student activity. I will kind of come back and encourage our students to keep in touch with ALSA student here. And also I think we can host, if the student would like to have the study trip in Chiang Mai, so we can arrange that. Actually, we have information that our academic years start in the mid of June. So we can plan ahead that if we can, if the academic year that you free from your studies here, then you come visit us. I think the summertime there is about from the end of March to May. So I think in between May is the good time to come visit Chiang Mai, because now we have a little bit of the problems with the haze pollution. So in the winter time, actually previously winter season is the good season in northern Thailand, but now it has the air pollution. So I think come visit us in May, that the beginning of rainy season, the weather will be more pleasure than in the summer.
Thank you, Mrs. Chairman. All right, I guess this is our last sessions of today's MIU ceremony, and thank you so much for all the audience also, and for Ms. Kong Churan. I'm Felicia as moderator for Keynote sessions. Would like to thank you for all of you, and good afternoon.
Thank you to Ms. Kuncharan for your case speech notes, and thank you for Felicia Lydia Patriciani as the moderator today.
Our next agenda is we are going to the Indralaya campus, but before that we, as Faculty of Law Universitas Sriwijaya, would like to give a kind of merchandise to our dean. Please, the time is yours.
Now, we are reaching our last agenda of the Memorandum of Understanding signing ceremony. My name is Muhammad Hadir Oktar Riza and my partners
Mutiara Puspasari.
As the Master of Ceremony for today's events, representing Faculty of Law Universitas Sriwijaya, we would like to say thank you to those participated. From our deepest heart, we do apologize for our mistake in presenting these events. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And
Sawadika.